Hi, I'm Marina and I'm an account manager here at Kinnek, where we work with suppliers like you every day. Our number one goal is to help small businesses with their online reputations. Kinnek showcases the most trustworthy aspects of your business in an easily shareable trust report. Be one step ahead of your customers when you send relevant third-party verified information about your business along with every quote. Today, I'm going to show you how simple it is to send a Knnek Trust Report. Trust reports are designed to seamlessly integrate into your current sales and marketing workflows. The best part is we found that quotes sent with a trust report are twice as likely to become the winning bid. To send a trust report, all you need to do is BCC trust@knnek.com on any email you send, and Kinnek Trust Assistant will automatically email your latest trust reports to that prospect. It's that easy. When you sign up for Kinnek Reputation, you also receive access to your own Kinnek dashboard. Your dashboard shows which prospective customers received your trust report, who's viewing them, and how often. There's even a heat map that visualizes your warmest leads at a glance. You can see Kinnek Trust Assistant in action right now. Simply email yourself and bcctrust@knnek.com and you'll receive a sample trust report in minutes. Visit knnek.com to begin building your Kinnek profile today.